So, the industry standard that everybody likes to say is that Digital Wealth Academy is a scam. But is it really? So, this is going to be a short video just kind of breaking out exactly my personal opinion on it, if I think it's a scam, if you guys should think it's a scam, and if it's even worth looking at. For some quick reference, my name is Alex Kramer. I'm 20 years old. I've generated $250,000 online through digital marketing, selling digital products and all that. So, of course, I've bought into a lot of programs. I've purchased a lot of courses, mentorships, blah, blah, blah. You guys get the point. So, for some quick reference, I'm going to mess up here in this video. Obviously, there's not going to really be any fancy edits, cuts whatsoever. I'm just going to go ahead and talk straight from the heart. So, Digital Wealth Academy is definitely marketed as a pyramid scheme. They're saying that they made $500 today, $1,000 today, but like deep down, everybody knows that the only way that people are making money is by reselling the program. But first of all, the way to shoot down that arrow of it's a scam and it's only made money through reselling the course, that is because it is an option. You can actually resell the course for 100% profit, which no program really ever does. So that's the surprising part about it. And the coolest part is, and the most funny part I would personally say, is that it's a digital marketing course. You're looking and you're learning how to market products online, and then here you are using that skill to simply sell a product that's already done for you. So I completely understand the dilemma. I apologize about that, mess up right there. But like, look, digital marketing essentially is the factor of selling stuff online. It can be anything. It doesn't even have to be 100% profit. Okay? Don't get the idea that digital marketing is a business. Don't let people scam you and sell you into the digital marketing business. Digital marketing business is literally the term for online business, essentially. Digital product itself isn't even a business model. It's just a type of product that you sell. Digital marketing and digital products are essentially very close, but they're not the same thing, so don't get that messed up. With that being said, Digital Wealth Academy is something that I've been inside of for around 4 months now, and I personally think that it is a very solid program. The way that people are marketed these products are by thinking that you purchase in and then you start making money instantly. You're purchasing information, you're purchasing essentially knowledge that you use to then later apply into your life or into your business and then make money using those skills. There's really no business out there that's just a copy and paste, or you simply buy in once and you start making money forever, because that just doesn't exist. Digital Wealth Academy literally teaches you how to market products online, how to make a personal brand, how to make your own products, how to essentially just get people to trust you in the first place, and essentially everything that you need to know about social media. And it's not just Instagram and TikTok, it's also YouTube or LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever social media platform that you're starting. This isn't a limiting program. And also, it is very much for beginners. Of course, the information that you see at first might be a little bit overwhelming, but if you look a little bit more, you learn a little bit more, and you obviously just implement everything, you're actually going to get something out of it. Now, the only reason why Digital Wealth Academy is expensive, and for a lot of other people, expensive is $500 apparently, obviously there are reasons behind that. First of all, one, it's not just knowledge that you're getting, it is literally knowledge from multi-millionaires that have already done the work for you. You didn't have to go through 5 years of experience of learning, testing, trying, failing, and essentially just succeeding at everything. You are getting all that information put into a single course that literally teaches you every single pretty much thing and mistake that they made. Step 2, or reason 2, why people price it so high is because they know that the single purchase of this is going to give you the skill set that you need to quite literally crush and make millions of dollars and literally change your life. The bigger a problem is in somebody's life, the more that they can charge. So if somebody is going to tint your windows on your car, that's like $100, $200 job. But if you need to completely replace the engine, screw it all in, there's just so many factors. 1, you don't know how to do it yourself. 2, you don't want to do the labor. 3, you don't want to essentially just learn how to do it. Somebody already has that experience. That's what you're paying $10,000 for. Just view Digital Wealth Academy as literally a roadmap, and also just a way to skip all the lines, skip all the times of wasting, and getting the information you actually need. And on top of that, if money is still too much of a problem, you can literally do payment plans. I did mine in a 4 months, so I'm only paying $150 per month. And every single time I resell the program, I obviously already made my money back. So that being said, that's essentially my overall review of Digital Wealth Academy. I personally really do enjoy the program. It's very good and it's very helpful. And on top of that, there's also a community of 3,000 other people. So if you have any other questions, problems, or concerns, you obviously can ask those people. And one last thing, everybody, if you are still over the fence and you need a little bit more guidance, you don't know what to do, who to talk to, or essentially anything, I made, like I said, $250,000 online, and I will personally coach you one-on-one for free for an entire month with the purchase of DWA. Obviously, we're going to be able to schedule a call so I can go ahead and sit down with you, actually learn about yourself, learn about your interests, your niches, everything that you want to actually learn, so we can pretty much make you an action plan. And last but not least, everybody, the pretty much quote that sold me into the program was specifically this: are you willing to take the risk and essentially stay in your same position that you are currently in, wanting to know. And you're a little bit you're farther ahead than most people. Everybody, you guys obviously know about Digital Wealth Academy. You know about the whole online space. Most people don't even know. People in other countries are doing horrible work for 10 cents an hour. You're over here, you already know about the information. People know, you know about the online space. So is it more of a risk sitting in the same position, knowing exactly what you need to do, but just saving a couple $100s and not getting anywhere in your life, or risking something once, paying once, and learning a skill forever that will literally take you out of the position that you're in right now of just simply putting it off for money? Because money aside, you would obviously join the program because it is a very good program itself. Literally teaches you everything that you need to know. And on top of that, I'm offering my coaching 1-1 for free. I own a consulting company where I literally charge $2,500 for the exact same service that I'm teaching now, but you guys obviously get it. There's only going to be 5 spots available. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, like I said, link is in the description down below, and I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next time.